Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to take you through a few detailed features of the Fastrack. The Fastrack is our newest multi-purpose city bike, designed to be super modular for all situations. The Fastrack frame is made out of aluminium and is heavily reinforced to be able to carry big loads. Our dual leg stand allows maximum stability for your wriggly load in the back. The adjustable stem can be raised in height but also twisted, enabling the Fastrack to be stored in compact spaces. Having two 20-inch wheels gives the Fastrack an ultra-low center of gravity, improving the overall riding experience. The Fastrack has a super low standover height, allowing easy passage on and off the bike. The bike includes a front suspension fork, helping take away those nasty shocks on those rough roads. You can be assured that in emergency situations, these brakes will take you to a firm but secure stop, featuring a 4-piston front and 2-piston rear hydraulic disc brake. The bike features a powerful Shimano mid-drive motor, helping you get rid of your kids as fast as possible. The bike features our new DRS, the dual rack system. The DRS features 4 main positions, allowing you to go about your daily life carrying kids to couches. Here we are in flatbed mode, where you can carry anything from your favorite fridge to your stand-up paddle. Inflated, of course. The carry-on position is similar to the flatbed mode, but has side supports to keep all your precious cargo in place. In just 5 seconds, the bike can be transformed into side loader mode, where you can take anything from small kids to slightly larger adults. Each time you change the position of the DRS, be sure to firmly secure the quick release on the back of the bike. If you find the lever of the DRS is too hard to operate, the simplest thing to do is take the T-bar and loosen it slightly. The final position of the DRS is compact mode. Here you simply fold up the sideboards, and this allows to stock the bike in compact spaces. In the low position, the bag is similar to any one of our other bags, where you can simply stuff whatever you want in the bag and secure with the straps. In the high position, both bags act as a tie-down system for slightly larger loads. The supports on the interior of each bag clip together, allowing front and rear stability for your load. Each bag has a different male-female buckle system, allowing both sides to clip together at the top. The grab-and-go bag slides on from the front and is secured firmly at the back via 2 buckles. The front bag can be used instead of our basket, allowing a more flexible approach to taking your cargo on and off the bike. The bag has a welded construction, making it fully waterproof, allowing you to carry any cargo in any weather condition. The rear rack of the bike is baby seat compatible, allowing easy installation of a clamp method child seat. The baby seat clamp slides in between the 2 bars and then secures firmly on the inner bars of the rack. The Fastrack can be stored vertically, taking up less space in your apartment and giving you more space to throw some shapes. When in vertical mode, the height is around 185 centimeters, slightly taller than your grandma's ironing board, but still fits well within a standard cupboard. The smaller wheels at the back of the Fastrack allow the bike to be easily moved vertically into smaller spaces. The Fastrack is our newest multi-purpose city bike.